Thank you very much. Today onwards, I will discuss about the math for class 3. Class 3. As usual, there are few things very important in the mathematics which I am repeating again, and that I will call the warm-up. I am repeating so that because they are the small kids, so they generally forget. But they should be remember permanently. For example, first, symbol. Symbols. Symbols, it is very, very important to understand the plus symbol is this. Then minus symbol is this. And multiply symbol is capital X. And divide here the divide spelling is wrong, so I just divide symbol is this. And equal symbol is this. Greater than, GREATER, greater than symbol is this. Then again, smaller than symbol is this. These are the very important symbol the kids should remember always, and because of that I am mentioning here. The second point, expanded form. Expanded form. For example, suppose say I am just writing 640, and it is very important that the first digit of any number is ones, second digit is tens, and third digit is hundreds. Now, question is, what is the expanded form of this? Very simple. If you written OTH, then it is very simple. Like this, 6 below 100, 600, plus 4 tens means 40, plus 0. That is the expanded form. And you can also write this way. 6 is below H, so 6H plus 40 plus 0, here I am writing ones, because there will be confusion. If I write O, so it can be 00. So this is the first form and this is the second form. Now again it can be explained in that way. Here 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 0 into 1. But you have to make sure that if you multiplying 0 by any number, it is always 0, and because of that it becomes 600 plus 40 plus 0. Now the third point is the face value. Face value. Face value of what? 6, 4 and 0 in 640, 600 OTH. So the face value of 6 is always 6. Face value of 4 is always 4 and 0 is always 0. That is the basic difference between the face value and the place value. Now these numbers is also known as the place value of 6, place value of 4, place value of 0, like this. Now you can write here place value here, so confusion will be not there. Place value. So place value is 6 into 100, place value of 6, 4 into 10, 40 is the place value of 4 here. So you can do like this. Now, if you want a clear-cut instruction for place value, so you can write that place value of 6 is equal to 600. Similarly, place value of 4 is equal to 40 and place value of the 0 is 0. Here also you can say the place value of 4 is equal to 40. Also you can say place value of 0 is 0. So that is the difference between the place value, and if for avoid the confusion, we can erase place value here. Just avoid this one. So it will form expanded value and place value of 6, place value of 4, place value of 0. And here it is a face value. One thing I also want to clarify here, that is the ordinal means position of digits in a number. Ordinal means position of digits in a number. Just say, here I am taking the example of 640. So this is the first number, first digit. This is the second digit, and this is the third digit. That is very, very important if you are proceeding for math for class 3. Again, forward counting. Again, forward counting. Fifth, forward counting. Forward counting from any number. It can be from any number. So it can be explained that from a smaller number biggest number. These are the terms which is going to be used. It can also be said that it is also known as the ascending order or increasing order. So any one of these can be used, depend upon the question. Now, then is the backward counting. It is just reverse to the forward counting. For example, from higher number to lower number. Smaller is also known as lower, and higher is also known as biggest number. Now, there is another point which is very, very important, which I am going to mention here, 7. First term which is I am going to use is photogram. Photogram means it is a number explained by photo. It is a number explained by photo. I will give a simple example in this case. Suppose you want to write one number. So for that, we have to make one cube like this. How will make a cube? Teacher should ask the students to make this cube many times for practice. Just say, square means all sides are same. So if all sides are the same, then it is 2D dimensional. But cube is a 3D dimension. So in that case, square can be made in a tilted way. I am just giving you example. Suppose this is a line, one line, and just make a line here, and then make it this. They can use scale, but always recommend that if they can make without a scale, that is more learning process. Now here it is a center. Draw a line again further like this, and then also draw line this, and make this. And for that also ask them to write this way, and then join this thing. No, एक थोड़ा गलत हो गया ये जो है. I'll just देखिए, see, we can make a mistake, so we can expect a student also do the mistake. So just to avoid, they should be explained in a simple way. कैसे किया जा सकता है? अब देखिए, आप ask them to make a square first like this. अब यहाँ हमसे भी गलती हो रही है, स्केल नहीं है इसलिए गड़बड़ा रहा है. चलिए नेक्स्ट पेज पर मैं करता हूँ. For example, we want to photogram for 1. So, 1. So there should be 1 cube. And 1 cube we have to make in terms of the photograph. So how it is this? I'm trying to make little bit tilt parallel to this and make this. This is it. Then here. Then first draw line this, and then make. And this line you make like this and draw this. So in this way, and because the backward line will not, it should be more make as a dotted line. This will form a 1 cube. But if it is very difficult for students to make this 1 cube, so if you want to go for the 10 number, after 1 this is 10 number. So the second will be 10 cube. How will make it 10 cube? That is very, very important. You follow the same procedure. Just make here you have a equal length, but here you just make a bigger length like this, and this will be shorter than this. Then make. Now you have to divide into the 10 parts like this. First make at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you just make parallel to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10 also. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you see from the front, you will find that there is 10 cubes. So, photogram 1 is represented by this 1 cube, and this will be represented by this. But for the students, suppose they got confused, they are not making. So you can ask them to make a square. This is a square. This is a cube. And this is 10 cube. But suppose for them it is also difficult. Don't worry. You ask them to write like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our purpose is to show them how photogram can be used to define any number. So this is now after 1 it is 10. Then after 10, 100 cubes. How will make 100 cubes? That I am going to explain you. I have asked my students in a class 2, class 3 to make this figure. Some of them are making understanding very carefully, but maximum is not understanding. Because of that, I made it simplified for them. अब देखिए, third, 100 cubes. अब इसको कैसे बनाएंगे? ठीक है? Go in the similar way, but make a bigger picture like this. I'm just giving you. You make this and this and this bigger form. And also you have a bigger like this. If they will make by their own hand, it is more understandable to the students. Now again, now we have to make 100. Be careful. So in that case, you have to divide this 10 also, this 10 also. कैसे? वो है मैं बता रहा हूँ. पहले आप इसको डिवाइड करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First ask them to make simple one. Then make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here also make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब देखिए, you have to be very careful here because this length is bigger, so bigger one is shown. But now again what you have to do, you have to make this divided by 10. So थोड़ा small करना होगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This will show how the students are taking interest. The best student will make, they will follow. अब देखिए, यहाँ पर भी लिखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब देखिए, अब जो है आप इसको इसमें मिलाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब यहाँ भी कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अगर बहुत छोटा बड़ा गैप होता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट बिकॉज इट इज अ कंसेप्ट वाइज. बट इफ दे आर यूजिंग द स्केल, आस्क देम to take a 10 centimeter here, 10 centimeter here, and 10 centimeter, but not you have to take 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And 5 centimeter should be divided into 10 parts. So each part will be 0.5 centimeter. This is the responsibility of the teacher to explain them. अब देखिए, अब इसको मैं 10 में डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This should not be extended like this. So I am erasing. अब यहां भी लिख दीजिए अरे यार अनड्यू. अब देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब देखिए, अब इसको भी डिवाइड कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, फिर 5, फिर 6, 7, 8 and 9. ये भी 10 पार्ट्स में होना चाहिए. और ध्यान रखें कि ये लाइन यहाँ से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, यहाँ स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, ये 3 और 4 यहाँ शुरू होना चाहिए, 5, 6, 7 इस तरह होना चाहिए. अब देखिए, इसको देखेंगे तो आप गेस करिए कि कितना होगा. देखिए 10 into 10 is the 100. सो ये 10 मतलब 1000 क्यूब हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? नॉट 100 क्यूब, इट विल बी ए 4 इज इक्वल टू 1000 क्यूब्स. वन हैंड में very difficult to make it, but if a student can make it very easy way, that is good. Or as a symbol you can say, now I am going to talk about the 100. How you will make a 100? 100 is more simple. Just say this is 1000 cubes. 100 will be more easy. 100 cubes, 1000 cubes. In that case, very simple. You make this a little bit longer, and then you can say here shorter like this. Here it is wider, here. Then make again here, make this and make this. In this case, divide this into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसको इससे मिला दीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be, and divide this again by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will give a glimpse of 100 cube. And suppose the students are not able to understand, simple, ask them to make a square. And you divide this 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This will be the 100 square. It is 2D, two-dimensional. This is 3D, three-dimensional. अब देखिए इसके लिए क्या करना होगा. Now for this you can say, you can just represent a block. Or 1000 number, right? So it is all the photogram. Now I will explain you how we are going to make a number by using this photogram. So I am just take a simple and I will make a square. I am not going to make a three-dimensional because it will be very difficult to make here on the board. Now I am giving the example for that. I will give two examples. Example 1. I am just giving a number. Is 2009, let us say 2000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 5. This is in a expanded form. Expanded form. What is the short form? 2225. It is in a short form. Or standard form. These are the terms which is going to be used in a different way in a different question. So suppose you want to write this thing. So always ask the student to write OTH and TH. OTH, it will help. OT and O. Solution, I am just giving you. Now you know 2000. So make a bigger cube. It is a representation. And right here 1000. Because you can make a pictorial view for 1000, 100, 10, 1. Then make another cube, similar size, write 1000. So this is going to be written as 1000 plus 1000. So since it is 2000, means 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. Then 200, make a smaller cube. It is 100. फिर again smaller cube. It is again 100. So 2000 plus 2000 plus 100 plus 100. Now 25. So for 25, you can make a smaller cube. Yeah, you can make like this. It is easier to make this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 10. Again make another smaller. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is again 10. अब जरा ध्यान दीजिए कि in a book, in a printed book, this photograph is already there. So they don't understand whether this represents 1000 or this represents 10. So that is why I am encouraging the students to make by their own hand. Of 5, it is very simple. Make a smallest cube. 1, again another one, फिर again 1, 3, make 2 here, so this is 5. Now you can write, you can add all these things. This is 2000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 5. It is a expanded form also. So now you can write this is a expanded form. And short form, very simple, this is the short form. That is how the addition can be done by using the pictogram or pictorial view. So with that, I will make another, you can say, significant things. Now I am going to make some other warm-up point. These are the terms which I am going to use very frequently in my next lecture. अब देखिए, lowest lowest 4-digit number. It can be asked lowest 1-digit number, lowest 2-digit number, lowest 3-digit number. In every lowest number, 1 will come into the picture. And when it says the 4-digit number, you just place 30. ध्यान रखिएगा. अब suppose someone said 2-digit, lowest 2-digit number. In my class 1 lecture series, class 2 lectures, I have explained detail, but here just put 1. 1 is common for any lowest, and since it is 2, you put 0. And it becomes O T, tens. Here O T H T H. I am encouraging every student to write O T H T H till class 3. When you go class 4, then it will be TTH, lakh, 10 lakh. But here, now largest 4-digit number. Four-digit number. In this case, it is very simple. Write 9 4 times. 9, 9, 9, 9. O. To write this number is a very simple way. Suppose write the number name. So 9,999. Now again, largest 2-digit number. Very simple, write 99. अब देखिए, अब ये सपोज कर लीजिए someone asks numerals name. चलो मैं इसको A कह दे रहा हूं, इसको B कह दे रहा हूं, इसको C कह रहा हूं. Numeral and number is the same. सपोज कर लीजिए 225 O T H T H. So what is the numeral name? It is short form. 2000 200 25. तो numeral name हो गया आपका जो है. अब देखिए D, comparison of two numbers. Say two numbers are given like this. First example I am giving 2143. Write O T H T H. And another number is 510. O T H. अब जरा ध्यान देखिएगा. Here, this is the 4-digit number. 4-digit number. And this is 3 digit number. The student should be told that higher digit number is always greater than the lower digit number. They should put here. And I am taking another example. Suppose, take the same number 6025 and another is 3215. O T H T H O T H T H. For that, if it is a 4-digit number, first compare the 4th digit number. Here 4th digit number is 6TH. Here 4th digit number is 3TH. Since in 1000 6 is greater than 3, hence it becomes greater than 3. Suppose it is the same, then go on the 3rd digit comparison. If again same, go to a 2nd digit number. Again same, go to a 1st digit number. That is how you can compare the two 4-digit number as in the I am giving you some you can say the question for a student to do it. Question: compare the following numbers. 1, I am giving 2 number 2, 5, 4, 3 and 2, 4, 3, 5. Second question: 2, 9, 6, 2 and 2, 9, 3, 5. This question just for practice whether the student has understand or not. So this is my end of this lecture. Thank you very much.